So today is still spring break. We're doing a staycation. Like we just went hiking the other day. I hope you all watched that video. But today my kids said, Mom, just sit back and chill. You always take care of us. We got the cooking. So my son, his girlfriend, and my daughter and my son are in the kitchen whipping it up, cooking. And they're pretty good cooks because they got everything seasoned. You see them hamburger patties, y'all. That's my son right there. That's his girlfriend. Yeah, so this is just a little bit what the kitchen look like. Because if I was cooking, everything would be organized, neat. That's just my personality. Everybody got their music playing. I'm learning more about my children. I didn't know they were such T-Pain fans. But anyway, ain't nothing wrong with T-Pain. I like T-Pain. I like his blog. What is not blog, but his podcast. Yeah. So this is our grill. Don't pay attention to my backyard, y'all. I know it was looking a lot worse than this, but yeah, this is the grill. My son is on the grill. I'm so proud of him. He's growing up to be a nice young man, trying to take charge of everything and handle everything. Here I am, just smiling because I ain't got to do a darn thing. They gonna fix my plate and bring it to me. My children love me. Some days I be like, man, did I do a good job? Do they appreciate me? I hope they know how much I appreciate them. But days like this, it just makes all those worries and concerns just dissolve and go away. So like I said, they in the kitchen whipping it up. I can't wait to taste it. And I know they're gonna make sure everything is done because they love to eat. My children, they love to go and eat. They love to eat out. They love to cook. They love when I cook. They love to eat. So yeah, this is what my day is like, and we just chilling. The baked beans. They're like, where the green peppers at? I said, I didn't buy no green peppers for all that. Y'all be wanting to do all this and all that. Where the money?